In this short video, we will show you how to replace the O2 sensor on the Fitmate Pro. First, power down the device and ensure it is turned off before you proceed. Next, open the O2 sensor compartment and remove the wire that connects to the O2 sensor. Using the tool provided with the Fitmate Pro, carefully turn the O2 sensor counterclockwise to unscrew it. Next, remove the O2 sensor. Locate the new O2 sensor you wish to install and place this in the O2 sensor compartment. Using the same tool from before, turn it clockwise to securely fasten the sensor in place. Finally, reconnect the wire adapter to the O2 sensor. Next, replace the compartment cover to complete the setup. Power on the device. To calibrate the new O2 sensor, select option 4, Utilities, then choose option 2, O2 Analyzer Check, and finally, click Enter or press 1. This will start the calibration process. Once the calibration is complete, the results will be displayed on the Fitmate Pro, and a printout of the calibration results will be generated for your records.